Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to show you a simple yet extremely powerful strategy that can help you to make lots of profitable trades in your upcoming days. So watch this video very carefully, and this is the exact strategy that was able to help me reach up to 100% profitability while trading binary options. And lots of other people who copied me in my VIP copy trading channel were also able to benefit in that day for a 100% win. Not only that much, we are still being profitable with this exact strategy, and I'm going to give you this strategy for absolutely free. Okay, so watch this video very carefully, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video after watching this video if you think this video was helpful for you. Okay, so before starting this video, let me explain you some few things, okay, about this strategy, and then I will exactly show you by making trades, okay, in real time, and you can see how accurate this strategy can be with while trading binary options. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to make this all of this currency pair favorite that have 90% payout. Okay, just make it this yellow and all of these will appear at here, and then click on here and make this candlestick of S30. Okay, that means each of these candles are forming in 30-second time frame. Now if there is flag, make it clock and select S30. Okay, and then again click on here and make it flag, and again click on here and make sure it is at plus S30, not in M1 M2. Okay, just in S30. Once you do this much, then decide the amount that you want to invest per trade. Okay, once you do this much, then I want you to notice two type of hammers. So one, this is a hammer type of format of a candle. That means it looks like a hammer but a inverted hammer, right? This also looks like a inverted hammer. Similarly, this looks like a normal hammer, not an inverted hammer. As you can see here, I hope you are understanding what I am trying to tell you. And this also looks like a normal hammer. This must thing that you need to understand the strategy that I am going to show you. Okay, so now let's see in case of this inverted hammer. So as you can see here, whenever this inverted hammer forms, then market starts to fall down. Okay, and whenever this type of normal hammer forms, then market start to move up. As you can see here, market start to move up, right? But we are going to do a little bit twist in this strategy. Now as you can see in the real time, this is an inverted hammer. That means market will start to fall, right? But we will not go with the lower trade. We'll wait up to like 7 seconds, okay, maximum. If there is 7 seconds remaining at that exact time, okay, if we see that market has totally fall down, then we make trade by clicking on higher. Don't worry, I'll exactly show you by making real trades also. Okay, similarly, in case of normal hammer, here you can see, okay, so let's say this hammer have formed and this candle have started to form. Now it have reached anywhere at here, and there is like 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 7 seconds remaining, and it is at total high. Okay, at that time I will exactly make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, similarly, if even the market was falling down and it got a retracement, then also I would take a lower trade. Okay, after seeing this kind of hammer. So only important thing is hammer and inverted hammer, and what we will do after that. Okay, that is only the important thing in this strategy. So now I'll keep quiet and show you exactly by making 4 to 5 trades, and you see how exactly these things work. Okay, and do not skip any part of those trading, because it will train your unconscious mind to make trade in that format. Okay, so watch this very carefully.